pledge. India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians are
All Indians are
my brothers and sisters.
my brothers and sisters.
I love my country
I love my country.
and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In there will be and prosperity, alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind. Everyone, today's news bulletin is brought to you by SRVNs of Grade-VIII Jasper. This is Diksha brought you international news. Nepal election results, RSP stretches to lead with 96 constituencies. In Iran and Israel war, India cannot be quiet if Indians are hurt in Gulf conflict, says by Ministry of External Affairs MEA. Thank you. Have a spontaneous Saturday. Harshini from Grade-VIII Jasper here to tell national news. National news. Indigo cancelled 112 international flights due to Iran and Israel conflict. Bihar CM Nitish Kumar files Rajya Sabha nominations. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I'm Rupashri of Grade-VIII Jasper. Today I'm going to tell state news. First rock blast for Tunnel Road project successfully completed under safety measures. Thank you.
Everyone, today's sports news is brought to you by Adhika of Grade-VIII Jasper. ICC Men's T20 World Cup Finals, India vs New Zealand, scheduled on 8th March at 7 p.m. Thank you.
And today's news bulletin is brought to you by Parnika from Grade-VIII Jasper. News. Weather report. Maximum temperature 31 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 21 degrees Celsius, mostly cloudy, humidity 81%, wind speed 10 km per hour. Thank you. That's the end of today's news bulletin. This is K. Geeta of Grade-VIII Jasper here to tell thought. The only way to prove you are a good sport is to lose. I repeat my thought. The only way to prove you are a good sport is to lose. It means a true sports person accept defeat calmly and respect the winner. Losing gracefully shows real sportsmanship. Thank you. Have a sportful day ahead.
Everyone, myself Brinda of Grade-VIII Jasper here to tell word athletics. It means the foundation of physical education. Example, running, throwing and jumping. Friends, please spell after me. Athletics. 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 It means the foundation of physical education. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I'm Shrestha of Grade-VIII Jasper, here to give speech on teamwork. If every person in the team works hard and become united to make the team a victory or a winner, then it is known as a teamwork. Not only in sports, but also in academics even. If our class want to be and Sparkles of the Week or else the Best Class Award, then every person or every student in the class must hard work for that. And I hope you will be doing this. Thank you. Have a nice day. And I end my speech with a thought, united we stand and united we fall. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Jansi from Grade-VIII Jasper. I am here to ask you a few questions on sports. Question for Grade 7. How many overs are there in T20 cricket match per innings?
20.
Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is 20 overs. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 8. P. Gopichan is associated with which sport? I'll repeat my question. P. Gopichan is associated with which sport? Sorry, you did not pick the correct answer and the answer is badminton. Question for Grade 9. Question for Grade 9. Karnam Malleshwari has won many medals in international events. For which sport? I'll repeat my question. Karnam Malleshwari has won many medals in international events. For which sport? Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is weightlifting. Weightlifting. Let us appreciate them. Open questions. Question number 1. In which sport people use a boat with small wheels is? I'll repeat my question. In which sport people use a boat with small wheelies? Yes, you picked the correct answer and the answer is skating board. sport. Let us appreciate them. Question number 2. In which sport the term knockout is used? Sorry, you did not pick the correct answer, and the answer is boxing. Question number 3. What does NBA stands for? I'll repeat my question. What does NBA stands for? Sorry, you did not pick any answer, and the answer is National Basketball Association. Thank you, and that's the end of today's assembly.